This is the best car interior cleaner and UV protectant. It is the best seller on Amazon.
Hey guys, how's it going? This is Dan with Adventure Today. Happy you can be here today. So this stuff is miracle juice. Aerospace Protectant 303. I am telling you, a buddy of mine owns a truck accessory store, hitches, tonneau covers, the whole shooting match. And so he installed this tonneau cover for me, and he threw in a bottle of this aerospace protectant along with it. And I like, yeah, aerospace protectant, what's the big deal? Not that big of a deal. I'll use it. He told me, he said, listen, you put this on once a month. He's like, that cover will look brand new 5 years from now. And although my cover is not 5 years old, it's only about maybe almost 18 months old, it still looks brand new. And so I want to talk to you a little bit about this stuff today and just show you what it's all about. I haven't treated my my cover here in about a month. Today's a decent day outside, so I figured today would be a good day to do it, and I want to bring you along for the ride. So come along, let's talk about this stuff. All right, guys. So I'm gonna show you how I treat this cover. Typically, I just spray a section at a time. Put a little bit of this down. Does not take a whole lot. You can see there that just got a nice little thin coat, and I rub it in. It's all you got to do is just wipe it in. It takes just a couple of minutes. Sorry, I'm blocking the camera here a little bit, but that's it right there. And then you can buff it out a little bit to just kind of smooth any residual protectant. But that's what you do. And then, there's nothing fancy about that, that's for sure. But can you see the difference? So, I'm not going to do this whole cover here, but let's just jump down real quick and I'll show you what this treatment is all about. So, you can see here and pick up on this, the difference between here and the area that has not been treated is pretty significant. Now, I will tell you that I have been treating this this top for almost 18 months. I've done it pretty religiously every other month. And I know you're not seeing a massive difference here, but the reason why is because even though this hasn't been treated for about 30 days, it still has a nice little shine to it. It's smooth, it repels water, it repels dirt. And so if you care at all about your tonneau cover or any other kind of plastics that you have on your vehicle that are just beating in the sun constantly, this Aerospace 303 is just absolutely amazing. There's a lot of companies that sell a product like this. These guys are not the only ones. Sorry about the video footage there. But it seems that they're just doing something a little bit different with their product. I don't know what the chemical analysis is of this. Armor All's got a product that works pretty good. I don't know if it's a similar product. I'm sure it's some sort of a silicone-based product. But this aerospace protectant is amazing. I buy mine off of Amazon. I'll put a link to where I get it from in the show notes on this video. But it's made in the United States. If you like supporting companies that are based here in the U.S., this is a good one to support. And it's fantastic. So a couple of the benefits it says is helps prevent fading and cracking, repels dust, lint, and staining, and it restores lost color and luster. And I know you're not getting a great view of what you're seeing happen here with the luster and just how it looks visually. Again, part of that might be a little bit of the lighting. Part of it might be just the fact that this stuff lasts so long. And it's been a month since I've treated it, and so it still has a pretty good shine from the last time that I treated it. But pick yourself up a bottle of this. It is fantastic. You can use it in so many different places, on your vehicles, on your RVs, on your boats, on your wave runners, your snowmobiles, just across the board. It is an absolutely fantastic product. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for being here today. I appreciate it. Any questions, let me know. Please subscribe to the channel, click that bell, and share with your friends. Thanks again. Have a good day. Bye-bye.